Last night after Tell the Winning Stories, Act 1, Day 1 workshop, we had a bunch of attendees over the house. It was a really special evening. One, because I got to share with everyone who had shared their heart my home. And to me, the act of sharing, the art of sharing, is something that we forget about in storytelling and communication when we're thinking about all the different accoutrements of communication, the power of the pause and nonverbals and verbals and staging and pitch and pace and tone and delivery and up. They're all branches of the tree and all very, very important things. But it's so easy to forget about the desire to want to share the story. Do you want to share the story from your heart? Is this a story that you want to share? What does it feel like to want to share something that you love with a friend, child, your jurors? I'm so excited about this story. I want to share it. And we forget about joy in the courtroom, and joy is a scary word for many people. Scarier than most things that I hear in the courtroom, and it's just being able to feel the joy of wanting to share, to feel the joy of wanting to tell you that my client is not a victim. They would hate for even to be seen as that. They are a victor in every sense of the word, and I cannot wait for you to meet them. Let's help them along the way, is the attitude. Joy is contained within the desire to want to share. And secondly, the gift of last night was, it was also the first night where the books from Trial Guides had finally arrived. And I got to open up the box in front of everybody, and I get to hold up my book. Witness preparation, how to tell the winning story. Everything that we've been doing, it's there. And to be able to share that in my home filled me with so much joy. Trust the joy. Stay in awe of the joy. Allow joy to be your greatest ally in the courtroom. The only other thing that is greater than fear or anger is love and joy. And every trial is a love story. Trust the love. Share it.